Hi guys, welcome back to this tutorial video. What I wanted to do in this video is talk to you about what's going on over here. Now, your constants are the welcome message and the unexpected message that you will put in here. You have your dialogue, which is obviously your builder here. You have the tags, which we've seen already, where you can create different tags based on your bot. Now, I wouldn't, again, as I keep saying to you, think out the process, the logic, the structure of your bot so that you can get the bot working correctly. And again, start off with one branch of the bot and then build the next branch and the next branch. And what do I mean by a branch? The first question, because if you try and answer all of the questions that the bot may be given in one go, you're going to get very confused. But if you build it out like the way it was built out here for me, well, then it makes a lot of sense. Price of coaching is one. What is coaching? Now, I could have probably moved that over this way so that it would be sort of over down like that a little bit. Okay. I just put that, I could have put that up there. So putting it like that may help me mentally visualize the structure of the bot. So you can see it just looks a little bit, I think it looks a little bit better there that you can see the structure there, the logical structure. Now the history is where you can further train the bot. As you may remember, I was looking at the history to retrain the bot. So I can select any of these and I can say, okay, this one, yeah, that was true. And I can click on true. And then it stays true like that. Price of coaching, what is the price of? Well, I can say, yeah, that's dialogue, price of coaching, that's true. And each time you do this, you retrain the bot so that the bot gets cleverer and understands the logic more. Now, the live chat facility is really interesting because if there is a user online here, I can actually just click on the user and I can actually start to interact with that user. And I can say, okay, what I'm going to do with this user is I'm going to take over control from the bot and I'm actually going to answer those questions. And I've just got a notification there on my Apple Watch. I don't think you're going to be able to see it there. You might just be able to see it there. And it's told me that I've actually received a message on that phone, which is the bot that I was testing. Now, I could also segment these users. So as I chat to a user, I could segment them and say that this person is involved or is interested in coaching. Now, I'll tell you why you're going to segment just in a little while. Actually, I'm going to tell you right now. There is an option here to broadcast. So with broadcast, this is really powerful. And this means that what you can do is you can broadcast out a message to anybody who has interacted with your bot, be it on your website, be it on Facebook, be it on WhatsApp. So if I go here, I could say, I only want to broadcast to people who have been on WhatsApp. And I can say, hi there, this is a special offer message, okay? I've only selected one user because I've only one user in that segment, and I click on send, and that will send off to that person. Now, if I look at history, history will tell me what's been going on here. So I've been testing this bot and I've been making lots of changes. So that's why it came up with an error here. But you'll see this test here, it said that, well, and this one here, it was 100% successful. It was sent, and then it will actually tell me if anything was read or clicked in that message. So this is where the power really comes in, that you can set up a bot, people communicate on it via WhatsApp, and then you can actually broadcast to them. Now, as you know, probably in this day and age, email marketing is really good and it's still useful, but more and more people are using WhatsApp. And it's more direct because you know yourself when your phone vibrates, you go and you check it, and if it's a WhatsApp, you read it. So this here is really, really it's such a powerful feature. Now, I can also schedule a message here. So I can say I want this sent on a certain day. So happy Christmas, happy Easter, happy start to summer, whatever you want, you can send a message. So I can actually select different channels that I want to send to here. For example, from my people who have interacted on the website, people who have interacted on Facebook, or people who have interacted via WhatsApp. So that is super powerful. Now, under people, I actually have information about the users. These are people from the web widget, okay, which is the widget on the website. If I had somebody interacting on Facebook, it would actually show on Facebook as well. And then these are from WhatsApp. You can see the different icons here, and you can see last seen. Okay, so they were last seen an hour ago, etc. That's very useful. And then you have the segments here. So I could add a new segment called Facebook, and that will be where I can actually segment people into Facebook. So again, think about how you're going to segment people, because if you're getting people in from Facebook, segment them into a Facebook list, let's call it, or WhatsApp, because then you can test as well to see which one gets a better response. Analytics is coming soon, and the configure option we've already seen here, okay, of configuring what's up, etc. If I wanted to remove this, I could easily just remove that by, and I'll actually just do it here, by clicking on the X, and that has now been removed. We have the widget, okay, which you can create. SpeechKit is coming soon. That's very exciting. We have permissions. If you want to allow your tech team to modify the bot or to have access to the control panel here, you can set them up as an administrator where they can change everything, as a marketer, which means they can send broadcasts and personal messages, or you can actually have somebody as an operator, which is that they're just using the live chat and the history page. So this gives you a lot of flexibility, because if you grow out a team, well, then you can say, well, I want to have somebody who is just going to do broadcasts. I just want to have somebody who's just going to be an operator, and they won't have full control over the bot. So what you simply do is you click on administrator, you click generate link, and you copy and paste this invite code to the actual person. And then they will receive that, they will log in, etc. So here I have an invited user. Here I have Alexi here. I could revoke access if I wanted. You have APIs coming soon, and you have webhooks, okay, so that you can generate and paste a webhook from Zapier, as it says here, and then you can actually expand the functionality of the actual bot, and we will be doing a live or a webinar on this. And you can see that it has detailed instructions here. So that really concludes these introductory tutorials to Odus.ai. As we get more questions from you, myself, Judith and Aaron will discuss with Alexi more tutorials that we can put together to help you. So please let us know what else you need, either in the description below, or if you're watching this on Facebook, in the comments section. My last piece of advice is plan your bots. I've already said that. Create your bots, make mistakes, like I showed you how mistakes were made when I was creating my bot, and practice and practice and practice. Start with a very simple bot first to make sure that it works. Put it on your website, test, and then build out that bot and grow. And remember, train that bot is really, really important. I'll see you in the next set of videos.